What's up everybody, today I'm going to show you the best VPN to use whether you are inside or outside of Azerbaijan. There's a lot of cybercrime in Azerbaijan and protecting your online security should be a top priority, especially when you are on public Wi-Fi. Obviously the best way to stay safe is by using a VPN. And of course if you are outside of Azerbaijan and you're trying to unblock a specific website or streaming services that are exclusive to Azerbaijan, you can use the Azerbaijan server within this VPN. I've tested a dozens of VPN and this one always comes at the top. The name of the VPN is Surfshark. And this VPN has got more than 3200 servers within 100 countries. And you'll be virtually be able to secure unlimited devices within just a single subscription using Surfshark. And it's just one of the best VPNs out there. Super easy to use, a lot of value for what you're paying, and you get all the necessary security features. And practically you don't have to pay all that much for it. You get 30 days money back guarantee, so if you're not satisfied, you can get your money back. And of course, you will be able to find the links to the pricing and discounts in the description down below.